first do the hand washing, then assuming that we've done the hand washing, so prepare your equipment. We have the towel, the tissue, the soap, the basin with lukewarm water. We also have the gloves and the waterproof pad. So then we have to identify the client and explain to him or her the procedures so that she'll be mentally prepared, and then provide privacy by closing the curtains, adjust the bed in the working position, so working level, so that we won't have back pain. Then lock the wheels of the bed, put on gloves, and also we already have the railings to make sure that patients are safe. So put down the railings of which we are working on. So after that, put the bath blanket. Then you can also ask the patient to hold the bath blanket to promote independency. Then remove the blanket to the part. Then after that, move the patient to the side. Move the patient to this side, to your side, the eye. So, one, ma'am, if you can please cooperate with me, ma'am. So I'm going to move you to my side. So in 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then to the middle part. 1, 2, 3. And then to the left part. 1, 2, 3. And also adjust the pillow. And then after that, turn the patient to the sideline position. Sideline position. Then the knee. Support the knee. Take it out. And support the back of the patient. Then ask the patient to also position her arm so that it will not be a bit mapiit.
Daipan ka ha.
So 1, 2, 3. Also ask the patient to hold the railing if she can. So,
Pwede i-cut na to.